Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome back to AWS DevOps Locus Tech and welcome back to CI&CD Jenkins pipeline. So last part one, we have done the configuration of Tomcat, Java, how JDK should be configured and how to set up environment files and Jenkins.war file we have downloaded and we have tried to configure Tomcat, but as a part of that actually we have to restart the system. That's why, yeah, we have restarted the system now. And after restarting, uh, what I have done is actually, so after downloading it, yes, you have to do this. I will show you. Monitor Tomcat. Just need to select Monitor Tomcat. Just click on it. After that, you'll get, it will display like this. Open. Yes. See this, it will display like this. You just need to, by default it is actually manual, but you have to make it as automatic. Just apply and save. Okay, something like this. Next, what we have to do after that, just go to your browser, localhost. Okay, localhost 8080, but localhost 8080 not our port, localhost 8090. Yes, you may get doubt. Yeah, 1 second. You may get doubt. Yeah, actually in previous class we have set up that why it is blocking. Okay, so 8081, but I just made it 8090. Okay, 1 second. Localhost 8081 actually I've taken, but the thing actually on top of this 8081 port it is taking Jenkins. That's why I have changed it as 8090. I just made like this. So now currently you see this 8090 port is working. So yeah, now you need to click on manager app. See this? Click on it. Okay. Now we have set up some username and password, right? Which is admin, ADMIN. Password also same, ADMIN for remembering. Okay. Yeah, it will display. See this? This is actually root and this is docs, documents and manager. Okay. So yeah, you will get doubt. Okay, that's fine, but where are all these paths? So if you see, I'll show you in C drive, program files. Okay, go to software, Apache Software Foundation. Go to Tomcat. Okay, and web apps, Tomcat. Where is Tomcat? Yeah, web apps. Yeah, docs manager root, right? See this, in this is web application, right? Correct. Web application manager, that's why I have opened web app. In this web app you see docs manager root. Yes, docs manager and root. Correct. Yes, that's what. Next, now next my what I have to do is, next I have to run the Jenkins on top of this Tomcat. This is what my next target. Okay. Okay, let me get that Jenkins into this application. Okay, so let's go to downloads. These are all downloads. Copy, yeah, this one, right? Copy this and go to that folder actually where it is. Yeah, in C drive, program files, again software foundation, Tomcat, web apps, right? Web app folder. In this, you just paste here. Okay, let me go to the location. Can you refresh this? Yeah, see this Jenkins. Okay, see automatically whenever I pasted there, automatically that where file is reflecting here in this. Okay, now how to access Jenkins? Hmm? Just simply right click on this. Okay, access is denied. That yeah, there is some other steps to follow. Okay, so now what I have to do is now mm, Jenkins permission denied. Why? Let me check. Yes. Why? Because Jenkins you need to start. Click on that. Start. Okay. Yes. Now refresh. Click on Jenkins. Okay. Java access denied. What is this? Mm, why access denied? So always new errors I feel. Always new errors. Okay, that's fine. No problem. Let's see. We need to. We need to tackle it. Yeah, just paste here. Let's check. The AI help is mandatory nowadays. So what is this? AI some access is denied when Jenkins try to create a temporary file. C program file Jenkins home likely indicates a permission issue. So Windows generally restrict the right access C program files directly. You can prevent the Jenkins from the function. Okay. So what we have to change home directory. So instead of using this home path, set the Jenkins home directory to location where Jenkins has full access. Okay, or another folder outside of the program files. Okay, update environment variable. Okay, Jenkins homes to point that new directory to restart your Jenkins. Adjust permissions if you must use. Yes, I have to use I have to use this definitely. It's mandatory path. I just need to use this only. Ensure that the user account running the Jenkins service has full read and write permissions. Yeah, okay. So right click on the C program files Jenkins home. Okay, properties security. Let's just give the permissions. Okay, let me go back there. Where is Jenkins home? Yeah, here. Right click here, properties security. Okay, okay, security. Yeah, come here. Okay, edit. Just full control, right? Okay, allow this, apply. Okay, okay, let's see again. If not, again we'll change. Okay, we'll try again. So what ChatGPT is saying? Okay, right click on it, property security, and add Jenkins service user with full control permissions. Okay, let's see how we have to do. Right click, yes, right click, properties security, mm, advanced. Okay, change permissions, add. Why it is not showing like this? Show advanced permissions. Okay, so why it is closing? Okay, all right. So let's see. Again, I'll try to edit this and all permissions are there. Okay. System users, Lokesh Kumar as a user. Let's see how what are the permissions he's having. All permissions. Okay, administrator, full permission, system, full permission, create owner. Okay, next come down, scroll up. All restricted application packages. What is this? Okay, let's check here again. Okay, security and add the Jenkins service user with full control permission. Security and add Jenkins service. Security, edit. Where is Jenkins here? Yeah, this is actually object name. What is this? Enter the object name, select. Okay, I'll mention here. Try to mention here Jenkins underscore home. Okay, okay, okay. What happened? Okay, I've done this. Let me refresh. Again, I need to copy this. Oh, no, no, already it is there. Okay. Run Jenkins administrator privileges. If running Jenkins service, open services in Windows. Find Jenkins service, right click. Okay. Okay, I will go to there. Or else I'll go to here, Apache, Tomcat, web apps, Jenkins. Here also properties, security, administrator, editor, add. No, no, actually full access is there. Mm, okay, all right. Okay, All right, next. Okay, properties, security. I just need to follow step by step. Properties window. One sec. Properties window. Okay, home Jenkins, properties window, security tab. Click on the edit button, modify permission. Okay, so you have allowed all right. The permission will add Jenkins service user. Add Jenkins. Okay, okay. Not found here. How should I do that? So the permission windows, click on add button. There in the enter object name field username under Jenkins running example Jenkins or name of the service account. Okay, check names, locations. The object name Jenkins cannot be found. Check the select object type and so location of accuracy. Ensure that you are type name correctly. So this is what the name I have mentioned. What the hell is this? It's not working. What is username? Click names, verify the username. I'll mention this. Let's see. Okay. Jenkins reload. Let's see. Okay. Here I'll try to mention. Yeah, it's working, buddy. Thank God. Yeah. Got it. I think we did not restart it. That's why it took this much time. And sorry for that. Okay, that's it. Okay. So you just need to copy this. Go to C drive or anywhere this path. Just enter it. Okay. Enter notepad. Okay. This whatever it is there. This is actually your secret key. Okay. Okay. Paste somewhere. I just want to save here in this. Okay, I just want to save here. Let's keep as usual, and let me open here, and administrator password you just paste here, enter. Okay, never, don't save. Okay. Oh god, is that fine? And after that what you have to do is just and what you have to do is you need to select the plugins to install, right? Okay. Okay. Okay, so I need to, so I'll do one thing. Install plugins, install suggested plugins or what? Install plugin, install suggested plugins. Select these are all install plugins the Jenkins community find most useful. Select and install plugins most suitable to your needs. I'll keep default plugins. I'll click on this, double click on it. Just let it take whatever. No problem. Let it do. No problem. If whatever required plugins again we will install it. Okay, we will install those plugins again and again. So let's this done. Actually, it is takes time. That's why I don't want. Okay, so until then we'll do one thing. Um, let's um, let's close this, and I would like to open. And I need ant also, right? So in prerequisites, what we have mentioned, git done, Java, Jenkins, ant. So I need ant now. Ant install. Okay, or download. Download. Okay, enter. A bit slow. Okay, what should I do? This is actually antapache.org. This is actually official website. Let me click on this. Okay, that's fine. Now, downloads, binary distributions are there, right? Okay, so just click on here, binary distribution source and manual. Okay, downloads, binary distributions. Okay, so here Apache, um, one second, there are releases, right? These are all releases. What should I take is, I'll take zip archive, this one, Apache and 1.101 10.15 bin dot zip. This I'll download. Yeah, see here. Okay, click it and download it. Let us go to the location and location. Already downloaded it, but still I'm doing it again and again for you guys how to download and all. And this I'll check. Yeah, it's still going on, not a big deal. Let it go, not a big deal. Again and again. Okay, let it go. Let it install all the plugins, whatever required plugins remaining. Until then we'll finish the installation setup for Apache and okay. Yeah, I think almost done. Yeah, yes, let's open this. Okay, let's extract this, extract all. So where we have to extract? download Apache and users. No, I just need to install in C drive. Okay, program files. And is there an and? No, right? So C drive, I'm just keeping in C drive. See this program files, or else I'll just keep only C drive. Okay, I'll keep here normally. Okay, select. All right, extract. Okay, it is extracting. Then after, what we have to do as usual, earlier whatever we have done for uh, Java, so let us do that. So we need to, so don't be hurry. So after finishing that only we have to set up environment path. Okay, why environment for path? Environment path is mandatory for recognizing your, the system should be recognize whatever application you are trying to access. Okay, user variables and system variables you need to mention, that should be in environment files. Okay, so one sec, so let it go and I'll check again that. Oh yeah, almost, it is almost done. Okay, so yeah, so parallelly it's going on. Yeah, I'll keep both at aside. Let's see. So one ant is extracting and Jenkins plugins are installing. So this is default plugins I'm just keeping. It's not a big deal. If it is not useful, that no problem. Whatever required plugins we will install, no problem at all then. Okay, done. Right? So here you see Apache Ant, right? Yeah, this is path. Copy this path and go to environment variables. Just click on it. Go to environment variables. Just new, and I'll check here whether it is ant is there or not. A and D, ant home. It is there. Can you see here? Okay, ant is there. Let's do one thing. Ant setup already has been done earlier. Let me cross check with the Windows or CMD. Okay, ant hyphen version. Yeah, ant is there. Okay, August 25th, 2024. That's okay. That is different. I think released version maybe. It's okay. Let it be. Yeah, it's okay. No problem. We'll keep it as usual. So if it doesn't works, then we'll see. Yeah. Okay. Let it be. Okay. Okay. So you know already this environment path I already explained in previous for Java. Okay, and also Jenkins. In Jenkins classes also I have mentioned, and Apache also I mentioned. I explained all how to do that, right? So done with the all installations. Yep, that's it. And okay, so let me check whether this all kind of installations not done. Plugins. Okay, that's fine. So let us do one thing. I will try to write all the prerequisites for the um, CI/CD project. Okay. So we just need to download the Git first. Download Git. Yes, done, right? Next, I will copy here and paste here. Okay. Install Git. Install Git. Next, download Java. Right? Excuse me. Download Java. install Java. Okay, next to after installing the Java, you have to configure the Java. Okay, next mm, next download jenkins.var. That we have done, right? So yeah, so download, just repeating the steps, that's it. Okay, jenkins dot var. Okay, 1 second. Jenkins dot var. Yeah, it's okay, no problem. Where, and next to download Tomcat. Yeah, after this we have downloaded Tomcat, right? Download Tomcat, done, right? Next to install the Tomcat. Install Tomcat. Next, yeah. So after that, we whatever the war file is there, right? That war file we have pasted in that directory, home directory, correct? So Jenkins home directory we mentioned. Next to Jenkins home path. Next to we need to restart the system. Okay. Mm, yeah, this home directory is so you need to mention, but after that you need to restart the system. After restarting the system, you need to mention Jenkins war. Okay, Jenkins war into Tomcat. Just you need to paste Jenkins dot var file, paste in Tomcat folder. Okay, so next to run the Jenkins. You mean start first? You need to start the Jenkins. Give the permissions first. Give the permissions to Jenkins. So this is not for all. Some systems will restrict that. That's why. And after that, after giving the permissions, we need to run the start the Jenkins. Start the Jenkins. Next, run the Jenkins. Next, next after that we have downloaded, right? Downloaded, download ant, correct? Next, configure ant. Configuration in the sense it's environment path, install and environment path. This is comes under and configuration. Next, restart your PC, right? So these are all prerequisites. Let me try to keep numbers. Okay, okay. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, okay. These are all steps, okay. And this for prerequisites. Only for prerequisites, I'll keep underline and somewhat italic. Okay, font color must be pink I'll keep, but it is not applicable. Okay, that's fine. So I'm mentioning here. All right, I think this is not good. Let it be. Okay, I'll keep here this one, and I don't want a grid. That's it. Okay, just I'll keep like this. These are all prerequisites. Okay. So now what we have to do is just you need to open the Tomcat. Oh, how much time it is taking? Yeah, you just need to restart this. Okay, just need to open Tomcat. Now open Jenkins in different windows. Okay, let me open. Okay, different windows because it's still running in this. Oh, in this also. Okay, okay. See, we'll see. Wait for some more time. Or else should I stop Jenkins? I will stop and start. Okay, let us do that. Okay, so again I will refresh here Jenkins. Can you see here, guys? Localhost 8090 slash Jenkins, which means localhost 8090 means I'll show you. Okay, so if you mention localhost 8090, you will open, you can see Tomcat server. But if you mention slash Jenkins, okay, you will see this. Okay, you will see this. Why it is, oh, restarted, right? Okay, okay. All right, copy, paste, continue. Resume back. What is this? Resume. Okay. So create first admin user. What's his username? I'm mentioning. Yeah. Okay. I'll mention my username and password. I'll keep as usual admin. Okay. Actually, I have installed all the plugins, but it's okay. Okay. I'll keep username as admin and password also. I'll keep admin. Confirm password admin. Full name, my name, AWS DevOps. I'll keep like this. My channel name, AWS DevOps, Lokesh, YouTube. I'll keep like this. Okay. And DevOps 92 at gmail.com. I'll keep like that. Save. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So it will, Jenkins will run on this. Okay. Paste here. Keep like that. Save and finish. Start Jenkins. Yep. This is Jenkins. Okay, Jenkins is running properly. Guys, I just yeah, you might get doubt why 8090, but while you are installing time you mentioned 8081, but how did you change it as? I will show, don't worry. How to change your port after finishing all the setup. Okay, so I that also I'll show you. So I'll show you soon. Just nothing, you just need to go here, C drive, program files, Apache, Tomcat, and where is Tomcat server? Where is conf server? Just need to open. Simply, you need to open any editor. You can choose any editor, not a big deal. Okay, server open with. I will prefer only Visual Code. So any editor, it doesn't matter, man. Okay, simply see here 8090. Earlier it was 8081. But I choose 8090 because 8081 also occupied with the Jenkins. Okay, that's why I used 8090. Currently, my port local system is working on 8090. That's how we have to do. Okay, and you need to save it. That's it. And after that you need to restart it. That's it. Your port will be work on whatever you mentioned. Okay, so now copy the GitHub link, whatever link is there. Okay, so your project, my project, I'll show you where my project is. So this one, this is my GitHub account and real-time project. Yeah, this is my project. Okay, so you do one thing, take this, copy this, and go to your projects somewhere. Okay, I'll close all these things. Close and close. Okay, I have done this actually before. So developer will do all the changes. So currently I am DevOps engineer, I am developer, I am all just for this project. Okay, just to simply close this, close this, close this, and close this. After that, just open your project folder, which is CI/CD project. Okay, so you do one thing. Okay, where we have to do all these things. Okay, I think my folder is projects. Okay, these are all, yeah, website, right? So this is my website. So this website I just kept in this. Okay, if you want to see, I'll show you. Yeah, so this is my website. I just made some changes on previous website, and I'm using it for your current this CI/CD project. I've explained you so how developer will work, how DevOps engineer will work, what is developer system, okay, what are applications, how artifacts using all together. So this is actually, so our project folder. So I'll keep it as usual. So let me do one thing. Now we have to work on Jenkins. Before doing that, I just would like to explain you about our project. Okay, how the architecture. Okay, let me show here. Okay, so we'll do one thing. Yeah. Um. Yeah. First, I'll take this. This is I will use laptop only. Laptop. Yeah. Nowadays everything is ready-made, guys. So which one is good one? This one or this one? Okay, I'll take this. Okay, this is my laptop. Okay, and okay. So my code I kept in, which means my code I kept in a repository, Git repository. This means this is the meaning of it. Okay, okay. So I will take one um, text, take text. Here you just mention repo. Okay, copy this and we keep here, and you mention this here. What is this? It is developer laptop. Okay, this is developer laptop. Okay, which means here developer is I only, so I am here developer. So this is what, and okay, background color, keep, I don't want to use anything. No, Okay, background I just would like to keep okay, I don't do any changes. Okay, that's it. And I just would like to copy here this and this also. I'll paste here. I'll keep here. Okay. Okay. So next I will take one. This I'll take. Excuse me. Keep here. This I'll keep here. Okay. Just mention here. Okay. This is Git repo. Repo in the sense repository. Git repo. This is also Git repo. Okay. Now arrow, take arrows. One sec. Yes, this is arrow. Okay. So yeah, GitHub. Okay, this is GitHub. GitHub is actually it's containing lot of multiple repositories. That's why it is a big GitHub. Repo in the sense it is one of them, right? So next one is I'm going to take boxes one. Okay. Okay. And other one I'm taking. Okay, this one. Why I am taking, I will let you know. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Control C and copy, and for paste I want this text. Okay, so I'll keep here. What is this? This is actually GitHub. Okay. And this is and okay, and this is JUnit. Okay, and this is deploy. Okay, these are all actually plugins. Okay, GitHub and JUnit, all this. What is this box? This box is for Jenkins jobs. you can consider it as Jenkins jobs. Okay, you can mention, I will mention here, this is actually um, Git job, job 1, or else can we mention job, first job, second job, third job, fourth job, anything is fine, but we have to specify it, right? Okay, let us keep, okay, for while you are practicing, you just mention your name. For easy process, for easy to understand everybody, I'm just mentioning, so unnecessarily I should not confuse you guys, that's why. First job, okay, this is first job, this is second job, I should not use this, second job, and oh, and this is third job, third job, okay, and this is fourth job. Okay, 4 jobs I have created on top of Jenkins. Let us do one thing. I will keep a different color of this. I'll keep this color and this color. JUnit, I'll keep this color. Deploy, I'll keep green color. Better, this is actually blue. I'll keep blue. Gent, I'll keep this color. No, no, it's not gold. It's not gold. I'll keep this JUnit. Okay. Oh, that's fine. Next, what is the purpose of this GitHub? Huh? This is for pulling the job, right? Pulling the source code. Pulling the source code. Okay. And that is the purpose. And here, what is the purpose of and? Guys, build and checking the quality of code. Understood? So build and plugin, by using and plugin, we are going to build and checking the quality of code. Understood? And what is JUnit? By using JUnit, we are going to test. This is for testing purpose. Okay. And deploy. What is the purpose of this plugin? Deploy plugin. We are going to deploying. We are going to deploying the code. We are going to deploy whatever it is there that we have to deploy in the end product. So for this, actually, I'll take other one. Here you mentioned, yeah. In this, we will see the test results. Okay. So for that also we will set up. So I need to see the test results. So I'm going to mention here this one. Okay. Okay. Test result we'll see. Yeah, yes, seems fine, right? This is somewhat better, I think. Better, I'll keep this. For every job, I'll keep only, I'll maintain some standards. Okay. Yeah, this is what. And for this git repo, you can mention something like this, how it is. That's okay, no problem. All right. So next, whatever end products comes. So these are all actually jobs. First job, second job, third job, and fourth job, right? So next, mm, is there any icon for application? Or whatever, I'll use this. No problem. So you can mention this. For example, for suppose lastly final result. Whatever final result is there, that final results. Okay, okay. That final results will you can see in this. All right. So yeah, this is actually Tomcat. Okay, you can use this. Okay, here you can say this is end result, right? You mentioned here, and you can say this is Tomcat. Tomcat. Okay. All right. So that's all, and mm, I'll do one thing. I'll take all these things and keep somewhere else. Okay, I'll keep here. I just want to mention one thing. Okay, so whatever all these jobs are there, okay, something like this. Okay, so why? Tell me why I'm keeping all this. This is actually Jenkins, entire Jenkins. Okay, okay, this is Jenkins. Okay, on top of Jenkins only, we are doing all these things. Correct? Right. So, yeah. Next to now, what we have to do is, uh, so I will take this. Okay. Okay. You understood this? This arrow mark will indicates that we are connecting, which means pipeline. How? What is a what is a method we are using? Using downstream. Okay. Using downstream method, we are connecting all the jobs. Understood? Right? Using downstream method, we are you connecting the all the jobs. Okay. So whenever first job triggers, automatically it will trigger the second job. Okay. Until unless it finishes the first job, it doesn't go back. It doesn't execute the second job. Understood? Okay. That is downstream. Okay, first job should be trigger, it should come complete, after that only it will trigger second job, like that it will run. So this is how it's runs. Okay, the next, where is that arrow? Okay, control X, control V. Okay, here it is there. Okay, so no, it should be reverse. Okay, so I'll take from here. Okay, yeah, first we'll run the job, and for that, first of all, there should be a connectivity, right, for all doing this, all these jobs. So I will take it as, okay, one sec, copy this and you paste here, just mention here. Okay, from this repository. Okay, so which means for every job it is taking from git repos. Okay, same code. It will for building also, it is taking from GitHub. Testing also it is taking from GitHub, right? So for every job we are mentioning git URL. Okay, so I just need to mention different colors. This is one, and sorry, it's okay, anything doesn't matter. This is other one, this is another one, and this is this. So we are keeping as usual same colors, right? This also I'll keep the same. Okay, what is this color? Blue color. Yeah, I'll keep this. All right, see this. So this is how, this is actually architecture. Okay, what are the plugins? Hmm? What are the plugins we mentioned? Plugins. Plugins are GitHub, next, Ant, next, JUnit, sorry, next, and deploy. So these plugins should be installed. Okay, where I have to keep? I'll keep here. No problem. Okay, it's not looks fine. Okay, I'll keep here. All right, can you see properly? So this is the structure. So we are going to do this soon. Okay, so yeah, so this is the architecture for the CI/CD pipelines. So I will keep name also, so everyone should understand, right? CI/CD pipelines. I can mention Jenkins CI/CD pipelines. Okay, that's it. This is good. All right, so let's move into execution. Correct. And now what should I do is just take new item. Okay, and here this is actually first name, first job, right? First job. Okay, and freestyle project. Okay, and next advanced freestyle project is okay, that's fine. After this, I think there is an option called advanced, where it is there, this here advanced option is there, correct? So here in this advanced option, you see use custom workspace, correct? For Jenkins we have one directory, right? So where I mentioned, yeah, this is the one, correct? This is the one, 100%, this is the one. Okay, workspace, Jenkins home sample web, what name I have to mention. Okay, I'll keep this copy and I'll paste here and 1 second. Jobs if I take, okay, front slash, okay. Hey, first job already, okay, it is got created right just now. Okay, jobs Jenkins home. Okay, anyways, that's okay. Is this secret key? So latest secrets. So what is the date? Today's date only, right? Yeah. Mm, Jenkins, other Jenkins is there, right? This one. Yeah, this is different. Okay, fine. I'm happy. So I'll keep here this path. My custom path, whatever path I need, that I'm pasting here. Okay. And I'll mention slash and I'll keep mention workspace. I'm just keeping this folder will get created. Okay, WRK workspace and slash what is the project name? Real time. What, I'll check once again. What is the name I have mentioned? Real time project. I'll take this name only. Okay. 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 All right, that sounds great. Display name. What should display name? Okay, whatever. Just keep it as usual. See this? Okay. See here. 1 second. I'll keep this. I'll use multiple times. Better. I'll use this somewhere. I'll paste it. And mm, 1 second. CMD echo percentage Jenkins underscore home. Sorry. Yeah, it's working fine. Yeah, after restart, I didn't check actually. Yeah, it is there. So which means it's good. Okay. So let's go to the source code management Git. So use your what is that? Your repository URL where it is. Yeah, this one. Copy this. Which one? Yeah, this one only, right? 2 days ago, yesterday website. Yeah, copy this. Copy this URL and paste here. Okay, that's fine. Next, next to add repository is done. Master, why it is master? Is that master main? Why it is showing master then? Okay, that's okay. Let's keep as usual. If there is anything, any faults, if you see, it should not be master. Why it is showing master? Whenever you copy paste here, it should. Oh, one sec, one sec, one sec. Go back. Yeah, yeah. I'm happy for this. All right. So let me I'll apply problem occurred while processing the request. What does it mean? Save this first. Problem occurred. Why? So let's see whether it is running or not. Huh? Access denied. Why? You are not authorized to use this page. Okay, Jenkins. Let me close this. Let me close this too. Let me open first job and I'll configure it again. So I'll check here all, apply. What is this here? Why it is getting? Hmm, enter. Yeah, fine. That's okay. Let's try. Let's try. Let's try. Okay. I hope it is saving. That's why, nah. If I click on first job, dashboard, it is saving, right? Then, okay. Let's create second job. Okay. So, yeah, second job. One second. Second job. Freestyle. Okay. Same as first job. Okay. I don't want to do. Again, I'll do first. The first. Specify the job to copy. Which job to copy? Alright, no problem. Don't worry. Freestyle job. I don't want to do anything. I'll just simply use this advanced and I'll go back to here and I'll copy this, copy and advanced is there. Use custom workspace, paste here. Display name doesn't matter. Git, go to GitHub. Take this, copy and paste here, right? And after that go to source code management credentials. No, that's okay, let's see it later. Branches. Okay. Where is git? Okay, done, right? uh, okay, but master is showing. Why? Okay, that's okay, we'll see it later, not a big deal. Okay. Next build. mm, Build steps, we'll see this. Invoke ant. Okay, what is target? Target is checkstyle. check, check, style. Okay, so maven, how, as usual, as like maven we will use the command for build purpose. We can use clean package, something like that. For and for ant we are going to use this command, kind of command, you can say that. Okay, apply and save. Why it is there? Yeah, why it is going to happen? Hmm? Duplicate, confirm resubmission. Jenkins, second job is done. Okay, let's create and do, check this. This job, sorry, what is this? Second of finished, third job, right? Third job. Okay, freestyle. Same as usual. I'll check use this. I'll go to here, copy this, paste this, and git, go to my GitHub, copy this, paste this, and Next, where is build? Yes, this build invoke and hmm, for third step, for third, what is that? For third, this one, one, two, three. Third, what is that? J unit, right? So J unit will mention J unit. I'm not sure the spelling. Okay, that's okay. Let's see. Apply post build actions. In this post build actions, actually it is optional, but it's okay. Just want to mention um, result report, right? Because we have mentioned here this one, result report. So in post build actions, um, so we need to publish JUnit test report. Okay, okay. So what is that? Test report. Okay. So something we need to mention here. What is the test report XML format? So test calculator, test calculator, JUnit result. One sec. XML format I'll keep. So this should be in XML format. Let us try. That's it. XML. It is showing that it should be in a XML format. Okay. Okay. I'm trying, buddy. I'm trying. Let's see. Test on output. Okay, that's all. Should not do all this. Check test output. Okay, that's fine. Apply and save. Why it is showing processing? Next, fourth job is final. Fourth job, freestyle, and so we'll try, buddy. We'll try last till the last minute. We should try. So next, I'll copy this and I'll paste here. Okay, and source code, already we need to copy it from something and git paste here and okay, maybe it is not master bench, but we'll change it later, don't worry. Okay, okay. Now next, okay, let's save this and save this. That's it. Okay. mm, so so already Tomcat was ready, so Jenkins also running on top of Tomcat. So likewise we can run multiple servers, right? So on top of Tomcat we can run multiple servers. Okay, okay. So let's see, maybe some errors is going on. Jobs got created, not sure whether it is works or not, because getting some kind of errors. Let's see, not exactly. So we'll see that. Okay, and I would like to show something. As I said, wherever we have changed our port. Okay, Apache and Apache software here we have changed earlier in servers we have changed port number, right? Same like that. um, in conf this is conf only. In conf users will be there like this. Okay, just need to open this. Where is that? Open visual code. In this, if you see this, okay, this, no, users admin password, this one, okay. So for you guys, I already changed earlier. For you guys it will show till here. Okay, for you guys it will show till here. Okay, see here what you have to do is just need to copy comma manager hyphen script script comma admin. Okay, and double quote and close. That's it. Just you need to mention it. Just you need to save it. Right? Okay. Okay, that's fine. What I would like to do is I just want to configure fourth job again. Just I need to open fourth job. Just configure it and go to build. Where is that? Build. I forgot this actually. Invoke ant. So targets. So you need to mention ant for we need to mention var files, right? Var in post build actions deploy. What is that? We have to. Why I am telling all these things? We have to use Tomcat, right? So whatever artifacts we'll get, that should be deploy in Tomcat. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay. Post build actions. You see deploy anything deploy related. Build other projects, not this. One second, aggregate to downstream archive. Post build actions. Build other projects. Public JUnit, record fingers, git publisher, email, editable node, set git commits, set builders, GitHub commits, delete workspace, aggregate. What is this? I need more options actually. I'll try to mention deploy. I think it's upgraded, maybe not showing. Deploy plugin is there or not, I need to check. Okay, let me check. Manage Jenkins plugins, no updates available. Installed plugins deploy deploy, no, not there. So that's why I need to go available plugins, deploy. You just need to mention deploy. See here, deploy to container. Okay, simply you need to install it. Okay, so actually these plugins, see whatever the prerequisite plugins are there. So these prerequisite plugins, these plugins, GitHub and JUnit deploy. So while you are installing the um, while you are while you are setting up Jenkins only itself, you need to use this. If you forget there or you skip there, you need to come here in Jenkins, manage Jenkins, in plugins, in available plugins, you just need to search it. Okay. So after that, whatever the plugins, prerequisites, plugins, GitHub and JUnit deploy, you need to take from here. Go back to top page, go to fourth one, configure. Okay, let me go back to all post build actions. Now let's see. What is that? Deploy, right? Deploy. Deploy var and er files should be there, right? Where is that? Ah, yeah, this one. Can you see? After installing the plugin itself, it has shown. Is it correct? So now there is a pattern. Okay, var or er files. There is a pattern star star. You need to mention star star slash star. Okay, so this path, it default path it will take, and where. Okay, just simply apply it And why, my god, nobody will get this actually. First time I'm getting this. Okay. Yo, shit, yeah. What is going on? Again configure. Again go back here. Again I need to check here. Context path. Simply you need to mention your, what is it? Project name. Sample something real time something I mentioned somewhere. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This one, real time project. I just mentioned the name. I just want to mention context path. Okay. So this is actually context path, which means this is final name of the project. So you can see the name, final name of the project like this. Or else if you want to mention, you can mention real time project, mm, web applications, web app, something like this. Real time project, web app project. Also you can keep control X, control V. You mentioned like this, right? So next, container UCC, add container. What is our Tomcat? I think 9 or 10. What is Tomcat? I think 10. Tomcat. Oh my god. I think 10 not there. Okay. I think 10 not there, but I'm using 10 only, but it is not showing any 10. I don't know. Okay, I'll mention, but there is no 10. Yeah, this kind of things always, struggles us. See, I have used Tomcat 10. See, Apache Software Foundation, Tomcat 10 I used, but it is not showing Tomcat. What? This is not our fault, right? So credentials, simply add credential. I'm just using not Tomcat 9 because I don't have any 10. So I'm just going with the flow. That's it. Let's see whether the results I'll get or not. Okay. So there are a lot of changes happening in this Jenkins also. Okay. All right. Whew. Next, username, admin, password, admin, right? Hmm, right. Add and I have added. That's okay. But next. Just to click on here. Yeah, yeah. You see here. Got it right. Hmm. Okay. Tomcat URL. Just need to mention Tomcat URL, guys. Okay. What is Tomcat URL? Come on, this one. I'll just go one step back. I'll mention till here. Yeah. Copy and paste here. That's it. And yeah, paste, apply. Actually, this should not get. I'm feeling so little weird. And save it. That's it. Still it is getting some error, but process is same, guys. But I am facing this kind of issue first time, but I don't know. But you guys will not get this kind of issue, okay? Because while I'm configuring, there was some errors with the permission. My system is new one, that's why it's not allowing all. Okay, so this kind of issues happening, but you guys will not get this kind of issue, don't worry. But the process is continuously same, don't worry about that. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to link all the jobs. Okay, just we need to link all the jobs. That is called as pipeline. Okay, so how we have to link all the jobs? By using downstream, as I told. This is downstream. Okay, using downstream option, you can do that. You have to link it. How? Just simply configure it. There will be a post build up actions, post build actions. You see here, in this post build actions, build other projects are there, right? If you follow my Jenkins entire series, so this is dead easy, guys. While you are doing all these things in this project, CI/CD project, so you can easily identify, because my Jenkins project, I mean Jenkins series, everything I have explained like this. Okay, right? Project to build, which one? So trigger only if build is stable, which means, for example, if I am going to use first job, in first job I am mentioning second job, which means first job completes, only second job will trigger. I'll tell you guys. Don't worry. Okay, I'll be there for you always. See, example, I'm saying this is actually first job. Okay, this is second job. Okay, so what does it mean? Build other projects means in this you have to mention second job. Okay, which means you are already giving permission to second job after finishing first job. So if it is success, okay, then what it will give the trigger. It will give the trigger that second job should build. That's how. So second job will trigger. Okay, same way we have to connect all four jobs. You got it? That's how, right? And yeah, I'll need to mention. Okay, one second. I'll close this. Okay, so configure post build actions. Build other projects. You need to mention second job. See this second job. Already it is showing. Such, oh no, such a second job. Hmm. Why, guys? Because it is not saved. Understood? That is the purpose. No, it is not taking second job. See? So that means there is error is going on. So I'll check with that error, guys. So even if I execute first job also, let's see. See, it's failing, which means not configured properly. Okay. So I really apologize for this. Actually, there is some issue. Okay, there is some small issue. We have stopped almost 98%, 99% we reached. Only one step is pending. Actually, that step is actually, I told you that the first job, in the first job you need to configure. While you need to configure, you need to mention post build up actions. You need to mention second job here. Then only whenever you mention the second job, and if you save this only, your pipeline will get connected. Okay, this is how, guys. There is some issue with, okay, there is some issue with the connection, and some permissions issue is going on. So just allow me some time. Okay, so let me cross check myself, because I could not able to keep all troubleshooting in this YouTube. That's why, just allow me. Next, what after finishing the troubleshooting, I will let you know what happened. That also I will explain. So, and also after finishing this, I will show you entire results, which means how pipelines are connecting. So how pipelines are triggering. Okay, after finishing the first job, how it is taking. What is Polesium? We are going to keep the Polesium in the first job. It will take automatically from the GitHub. It will pull the code, and after this, it will again it will trigger into second job, first job, second job, third job, fourth job. Like that, it will connect all the jobs, which means it is a called pipeline. Okay, it is connecting all together. So then after finishing the last job, we'll get the result. That result will be shown in the here. I will show here. Okay, so then after finishing that, if you right click on that, that application should run. This is what actually plan. Okay, that is what project aim. Okay, that's it, guys. I think there is some issue with that uh, my mission, which means my laptop. Let me check all the permissions why it is not allowing. So after that only, so we'll connect, and you can consider this as a part 2, and result I'll show in part 3. Please kindly follow this sequence, part 1, part 2, part 3. I will upload these 3 videos in YouTube. So then you can understand entire concept of CI/CD Jenkins CI/CD pipelines. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. We'll see you in next part 3. Until then, take care. Bye bye.